Hey everybody, this is Joseph Deshays here, and I'm just letting y'all know animals on the other side are guiding all of us. And I just want to share the most powerful experience with animals coming to me for guidance. So basically, I was astral projecting on the other side. Some spirits around me. Oop, dropped my phone. I experienced the most massive Bengal tiger walk up to me. The feeling of power and force from this Bengal tiger was incredible. And the tiger just laid down right next to me, comforting me. I just had my hand on it, and I just felt like all good. Like these animals are here. These animals are guiding all of us. And I just have to say thank you to animals. And if y'all are appreciating the animals like you are, I already know y'all are. I just want to thank y'all for doing what y'all do to appreciate the animals around us, guiding us, teaching us compassion and honor. And one more experience. So I laid down to go astral project, right? It's like instantly after I laid down, I was like, instantly, like this Black Panther like walked on my back. So I was like laying down on my stomach. I felt and I saw with my pineal like this Black Panther was like walking on my back, like trying to sit down on my back. But like I kind of freaked out. I came back to my body. I was like, holy shit, like it was way too real. So I'm just getting chills thinking about it. Actually, one more experience. So astral projecting, again, I just be astral projecting all the time. Like I seen like, it was like the Black Panther again. It was with me, and there was like some sort of battle. It was like some sort of spiritual battle. The panther was like fighting for me. It was like I literally seen this I seen the muscles on this Black Panther was like so like the most dense, like tight, like bulky muscles on this Black Panther. And it was like so much energy. It was like lightning bolts around it. And it was like going after spirits, like to protect me. It's like fighting all these negative spirits for me. So I want to just give all the appreciation to all you animal loving people out there watching me. Thank you all for watching this video. I freaking love y'all. Take it easy, y'all. Peace out. Meow.